53,000 people who are employed in the sector and £4.5 billion worth of economic benefits to the Liverpool City Region. And this year, even more excitement because we have Wirral as our borough of culture. I'm sure it's going to be 12 months that will smash all previous records.
The reason we wanted to get involved in Visitor Economy Week is because we recognise the fantastic work that colleges and providers do around the visitor economy for Liverpool City Region. We see this as being a sector where there are fantastic career progression opportunities. And apprenticeships are a key part of that. So we work really closely with the LEP, and we've supported this event in the past. What we've done this year, which is kind of quite new, is that we've coincided it with running a skills show here at Anfield. So we're really looking forward to welcoming hundreds of Liverpool schools and residents to have a taste of what goes on in the Liverpool City Region.
So it's important for people that are in colleges to gain experience out in the real world, and it enables them to get jobs more easily if they've got that experience. Working alongside Michelin star chefs, it really helps you if you're in tourism and hospitality industry, just for jobs. It's a really, really great experience.